Okay, this video is going to show you how to download an inspection report from Foursquare Home Inspections. First thing I want to do is go to the address bar and type in SheboyganHomeInspector.com. That'll take you to our website. Okay, once you're on our website, you will have received an email showing your username and password. So just type in your username and the password, and then click the login button. You can also click Remember Me if you'd like to save this information, but I wouldn't do this on the first login because you're probably going to want to change your password right away. Once you're into that, first page will be taken to is your profile page. Down at the bottom, you want to click on Update Your Profile. Okay, so you click on Update Your Profile. If you go to the Contact Information page, this is where you can change your email address if you like. You'll need to confirm your email, make sure they're both the same. But this is where you change your password. You want to obviously change it to something that you're familiar with, something that you can remember really easily. So type in and click on Update. Okay, your password now has been changed. There's your confirmation. Next, what we want to do, go to Downloads, mouse over Downloads, and click on Inspection Reports. This is where you'll find all your inspection reports that you have assigned to you or that you have been given permission to see on our website. If there's much of them there, mostly relates to realtors and all their clients and customers. If you want to find a specific inspection report, the easiest way to do this is click on Search Document, and then in Search Keyword, type in part of the address. It could be part of the address number, house number, it could be part of the street name, it could be the street name, it could be anything. In this case here, I'll just show you. I'll type in 28, because I know part of the address I'm going to find has 28 in it. And the category, select Inspection Reports, and click on Search. And what this will find is to find any inspection that you've been assigned permissions to that has 28 someplace in the address. And here they pop up. You can see 128 Main Street, 28th Street, 2815 8th Street, 28th Street, and so on and so on. To view the document, all you need to do is click on the View button here. Before you do that, you want to take a quick peek over here on the side. It says file size. In this case here is 2.75 megabyte. That'll give you some sort of indication of how long it's going to take to download, depending upon your connection speed. So click on View. Sometimes this document license will pop up. This is designed for clients. It gives them a key code and color code for their inspection report. The blue items, for example, are maintenance items, brown items are for defects, and red items are for safety issues. When you go through and read that, click on I agree, and then click here to proceed. And now what will happen is that the download will start commencing for the inspection report. There's a couple of progress bars. There's a progress bar in this browser here that shows that the download is in process. It also says on the left-hand side of the screen, it's transferring data from SheboyganHomeInspector.com. It may take a few minutes for the report to appear, which is very normal. Just have some patience. Depending upon your connection speed, it may take a minute for it to load, and that's perfectly normal. The bigger the file size, the longer it will take. If you don't have this window, it could be just a white window that shows up in the middle if there's not a document license attached to that home inspection. So it will take the same amount of time, just so you won't see anything. The time here is strictly dependent upon the internet connection speed and the ability for the internet to serve the file up to your computer. If you're on a dial-up connection, it could take up to 45 minutes to an hour. This is why we don't email inspection reports, because the inspection report will lock up the email box. And there's a report. Now the report, what you can do here, you can either click on the little save, a little floppy disk up here in the top corner, and it says click this file to save to your computer. Click on that, and you can give it your own name, whatever you want it to be, and click on the save button. 128 Main Street. .pdf, and click on save. That file is now saved to your computer. Okay, if you want to print the document, there's a couple things you can do. The easiest thing is go to the print icon up on the top. That's the upper left-hand corner, and click on print. The standard Windows dialog box will come up to print. And if you want to print the entire report, go ahead and select all and say OK. That's all there is to it. If you just want to print out certain sections of the report, let's say suppose you just want to print out the defect summary or the safety summary sections, the best thing to do is go to the little find box here and type in defect summary, and it brings you right to the defect summary page. On top of the screen here it says page 35 is where the defect summary starts. The number on the report is different by one page because the cover page does not get counted in to this number, but it does get counted in as the overall pages in the report. So page 35 is where the defect summary starts. If you want to scroll down, use the scroll bar in the center of the window. The scroll bar out here does not scroll the report, it scrolls the browser window. So you want to stay with the scroll bar in the center window. And the end of the report is right there, and that's on page 37. So numbers that are important to remember are the page numbers up here in the report viewer window. So page 35 to 37 will give you the defect summary and the safety summary. So go back to the little print icon, click on page 35-37. As a double check, the first page that you're going to print will be in this window here, and that is the defect summary window. Click on OK, and it sends the report to the printer. When you're all finished, you can close the window and simply log out. I hope you found this video beneficial and help you understand how to view and print and save your inspection report at sheboyganhomeinspector.com. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.